This is the Welding Heat Input Calculator, which calculates the amount of heat energy delivered per unit length during welding operations. Let's look at the three input fields required for this calculation. First, we have voltage measured in volts, where you'll enter the welding voltage. Second is current measured in amperes, where you'll input the welding current. Third is travel speed measured in inches per minute, which is the speed at which you move along the weld joint. There are no drop-down menus for this calculator. All three are direct numerical entries. For our example, I'll enter 10 volts for voltage, 10 amperes for current, and 10 inches per minute for travel speed. After clicking Calculate Heat Input, we get two results. The heat input shows 600.0 joules per inch, which is the energy delivered per inch of weld length in imperial units. The calculator also provides 0.0024 kilojoules per millimeter, giving us the same heat input converted to metric units. These values help ensure you're within the acceptable heat input range for your welding procedure specification and base material. Find the link in the description below.